To use a washing machine efficiently, wash full but not overloaded loads.
To make washing machine electricity consumption more cost-effective, start by using the machine only when you have a full but suitable load. Washing several small loads uses more electricity and water than combining clothes into a properly sized load. Choose the appropriate wash cycle and avoid unnecessarily long or intensive programs when the clothes are only lightly soiled. Using cold or low-temperature water can significantly reduce energy consumption, especially for machines that heat water. Select an energy-efficient washing machine with a high energy efficiency rating when purchasing a new appliance. If your machine has an N-Eco mode, use it when appropriate because it is designed to reduce water and electricity consumption while still providing effective cleaning.
To use a washing machine efficiently, wash full but not overloaded loads.